Well, we're gonna do some chicken tonight. Chicken thighs. Kind of mix all my stuff up in a bag. It makes it easier, less mess. Shake everything around and everything's seasoned. Got one that's spicy and one that's not. That's what we're using. Yep, pretty good for you. They filled with a bunch of crap. And mine's gonna be the spicy version. So I can do this. It's pretty good stuff. Put some of that olive oil in the bag on the chicken. Put some spices on it. Rubbed it around, threw in some garlic, shook it around a little bit. No mess. Be going on the grill here in a little while. There's some mixed veggies, some bell peppers and onions. Put Kerrygold butter, salt and pepper, a little garlic powder. That'll go on the grill with the chicken too. Should be pretty good. Alright, I don't know how good you can hear me. This is our little grill set up. That's the food we are cooking at the moment. Should come out pretty good. These little grills don't cost shit. They ain't but like 20 bucks, $25 at Walmart. Yeah, I know it's propane and some of y'all gonna cry. DOT says this and that. Fuck DOT. I'm cooking. Well, I'll be down. Started cooking and it started raining on me. Oh well. Here's my Alpi cooler. This is how I keep everything frozen, keep meats, food. Quite a bit of stuff in there. I think we're gonna cook some of this with the chicken tonight. Things run off a 12-volt plug, plug it into a cigarette lighter in your truck. Good to go, keeps your meat froze. We break ours down in single servings. Froze solid.